Welcome to the Victory Education Lounge. I'm your host, Maurice, and today we'll be exploring an intriguing topic: the impact of insulin resistance on protein metabolism. This discussion is part 64 of our Enlightening series, where we unravel the mysteries of health and wellness. Before we begin, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts or experiences. Your engagement helps us reach more people with this valuable information. Today we're peeling back the layers of insulin resistance, a prevalent issue that's often misunderstood, and its impact on how our bodies process protein. We'll explore this complex relationship, shedding light on its importance to our overall health. As we delve into the world of insulin, protein, and the intricate dance they perform within our bodies, remember to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Your interaction is vital in helping us spread this essential knowledge. Your engagement helps us reach more people with this valuable information. Insulin and protein metabolism are two interconnected aspects of our body's functions that play a crucial role in our overall health. Insulin, a hormone produced by the pancreas, is often associated with regulating blood glucose, which indeed is one of its paramount functions. However, insulin's role extends beyond that. It also acts as a potent anabolic hormone, promoting protein synthesis and inhibiting protein degradation. Proteins, as you may know, are the building blocks of our bodies. They form the basis of our muscles, tissues, enzymes, and many hormones. The synthesis and breakdown of proteins, therefore, have direct implications on our physical health and metabolic functions. Insulin plays a key role in this process. When your body has adequate levels of insulin and your cells are sensitive to its effects, proteins are synthesized efficiently and their breakdown is inhibited. This balance keeps your body functioning optimally, supporting muscle growth, tissue repair, enzyme production, and hormonal balance. But what happens when your cells become resistant to insulin? This is a condition known as insulin resistance, a common but often unnoticed problem, linked to lifestyle factors such as poor diet and lack of physical activity. When insulin resistance sets in, your cells fail to respond to insulin effectively. Despite the presence of insulin, glucose remains in your bloodstream, leading to high blood sugar levels. But that's not all. Insulin resistance also disrupts protein metabolism. When cells become resistant to insulin, protein synthesis is compromised and protein degradation may increase. This can lead to several health problems, including loss of muscle mass, impaired wound healing, and even disrupted hormonal balance. In essence, insulin is a vital player, not just in our body's energy regulation, but also in the intricate process of protein metabolism. Its resistance can, therefore, have far-reaching effects, not only on our blood sugar levels, but also on how our body handles proteins. Now let's delve into 10 examples of how insulin resistance impacts protein metabolism. The first is decreased muscle protein synthesis. Insulin resistance can hamper our body's ability to build and maintain muscle mass. Secondly, it can lead to increased muscle protein breakdown. When insulin isn't able to effectively deliver nutrients into cells, the body may start breaking down muscle tissue for energy. Thirdly, insulin resistance can impair the uptake of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, into cells. This can potentially lead to nutrient deficiencies. The fourth impact is on nitrogen balance, which can become negative, indicating more protein is being broken down than synthesized. The fifth example is a reduced anabolic response to exercise. This means insulin resistance can blunt the muscle-building effects of physical activity. Sixthly, insulin resistance can accelerate sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass. The seventh impact is on wound healing. Protein synthesis is crucial for tissue repair, and insulin resistance can slow this process down. Eighthly, immune function can be compromised. Protein is essential for immune cell production, which can be affected by insulin resistance. The ninth impact is on enzyme production. Many enzymes are proteins, and their production can be disrupted by insulin resistance. Lastly, insulin resistance can disrupt hormonal balance. Many hormones are proteins or peptides, and their synthesis can be affected by insulin resistance. These are just some of the ways insulin resistance can potentially disrupt protein metabolism and consequently overall health. Understanding these impacts can help us better manage our health and take steps towards prevention. In our next segment, we'll delve into some effective solutions and prevention techniques to counter these impacts of insulin resistance on protein metabolism. Stay tuned. Understanding these impacts, we must discuss solutions, management strategies, and prevention techniques. Insulin resistance and its effect on protein metabolism can be daunting, but there are several ways to manage and even prevent these issues. Firstly, resistance training. Regular strength training exercises can improve insulin sensitivity and promote muscle protein synthesis. These exercises can range from lifting weights to bodyweight workouts like push-ups or squats. The benefits? It's highly effective for building muscle and enhancing overall health. However, the flip side is that it requires consistent effort and proper technique to avoid injuries. Then, we have the high-protein diet. Ensuring adequate protein intake can help maintain muscle mass. It supports muscle health and can provide a sense of fullness or satiety, which can be helpful for weight management. However, it may require dietary changes and careful meal planning to ensure balanced nutrition. A balanced macronutrient intake is another strategy. A diet with appropriate ratios of protein, carbohydrates, and fats can improve insulin sensitivity. This approach supports overall metabolic health and can be tailored to individual needs and preferences. However, it may require significant lifestyle changes and a good understanding of nutrition. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that may improve insulin sensitivity. It involves alternating periods of eating and fasting, which can help regulate insulin levels. While it can be effective for some people, it may not be suitable for everyone, especially those with certain medical conditions. It's always a good idea to consult a healthcare professional before starting a new dietary regimen. Finally, regular aerobic exercise, such as walking, cycling, or swimming, can improve insulin sensitivity. Cardio exercises not only boost heart health, but also help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin function. The upside is that it can fit into most lifestyles and is beneficial for overall health. However, like resistance training, it requires consistency and gradual progression to avoid overexertion. So, you see, while insulin resistance can have a significant impact on protein metabolism, it's not a foregone conclusion. With informed choices and lifestyle modifications, we can manage these effects and maintain our health. These strategies can help manage or even prevent the negative impacts of insulin resistance on protein metabolism. We have covered a lot today, from the role of insulin in protein metabolism to the impact of insulin resistance, and finally, the potential solutions. Let's take a moment to recap. We've learned that insulin, beyond its role in blood sugar regulation, is a potent anabolic hormone that promotes protein synthesis and inhibits protein breakdown. When insulin resistance occurs, our cells become less responsive to insulin, leading to a cascade of effects on our protein metabolism. This can result in decreased muscle protein synthesis, increased muscle protein breakdown, impaired amino acid uptake, and even altered hormonal balance, among other things. We also delved into various strategies to manage and prevent the negative impact of insulin resistance on protein metabolism. We touched on the benefits of resistance training, the importance of a high-protein diet, and a balanced macronutrient intake, as well as the potential effectiveness of intermittent fasting and regular aerobic exercise. Each of these strategies comes with its own set of pros and cons, and it's essential to tailor them to your unique needs and circumstances. The topic of insulin resistance and protein metabolism is a complex one, with many nuances and intricacies. It's a field that's continually evolving, with new research shedding light on different aspects every day. We've only scratched the surface today, and I encourage each of you to delve deeper, to read more, to ask questions, and to engage in discussions. Remember, knowledge is power. Understanding how your body works and how things like insulin resistance can impact your health is a crucial first step in taking control of your well-being. As we wrap up, I want to emphasize the importance of understanding the far-reaching effects of insulin resistance. By recognizing its impact on protein metabolism, we can take a more comprehensive approach to our health, focusing not just on blood sugar control, but also on maintaining healthy muscle mass and overall protein balance. Before we conclude, the information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Any health-related decisions should be discussed with a licensed physician. Your individual situation may require specific medical attention, and it's crucial to seek professional advice for personalized care. Thank you for joining me in the Victory Education Lounge. If you found this information helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your experiences and questions can help others on their health journey. Until next time, this is Maurice, wishing you health, vitality, and metabolic balance.